Are you ready to take your WordPress website to the next level? The PostGrid Pro is the ultimate plugin to display your post, pages, or custom post types in stunning layouts. With over 80 pre-designed templates, lightning-fast loading, and fully responsive designs, your content will look amazing on any device. Best of all, it integrates seamlessly with Elementor, which allows you to customize every detail with simple drag and drop, no coding required. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the plugins to add new plugin. And in the search key box, type the PostGrid powered by Radius theme, the leading WordPress grid plugin. So install now and then activate it. This is the appearance of the PostGrid settings. According to it, you will get several settings options. Firstly, go to the common settings to improve your visual performance. So select your resource load type as Elementor and then save it. Now go to the plugins again and then add plugin. From here, click on Upload Plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Now, click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate Plugin. Here, these are the PostGrid and PostGrid Pro plugins. We need to install both for this premium feature. Now, go to the page to add new page. Here, provide your suitable title as the PostGrid Elementor add-on and then click on Publish to save it. Now on the top, click on Edit with Elementor. Firstly, we will drag PostGrid list layout and drop it here. Instantly, you will get several layout options to choose one by one, and then select any one from these options. After that, go to the layout options to set your offset width according to your preference along with the vertical alignment. Next, in the query build, go to the advanced filters to set your categories. You can select and set multiple categories at the same time. And then set your tags. Now you can set your author, date range, and etc. Now go to the filters. You will get some fields to show or hide by enabling or disabling these options like author filter, order by filter. If you want to show this, it will display like that. Now go to the pagination. If you want, you can enable show pagination option. It will look like this. Then select your pagination type. You can choose any one from these given options. And if you do not want to show it, then just disable this option. Now go to the links, select your post link type along with the link target option. Then if you want, you can enable or disable thumbnail link. Now go to the settings for your field selections customization. Like previous, you will get several field options to show or hide by enabling and disabling these options. For example, post date, categories, author, read more button, social share, and etc. Now go to the section title. Provide your section title here as list layout. Then customize your title tag what you prefer. Now set your section title style. Then select the title source. In the next, go to the post title to customize this given option. Go to the thumbnail. From here, you can customize your image resolution. Then go to the excerpt. Select your excerpt type as character. Set your excerpt limit what you prefer. After that, go to the metadata. From here, you can set your meta position from these given options. While done, go to the meta ordering. If you want, you can drag and drop your meta ordering according to your preference. In the next, go to the read more options. If you want, you can enable your show button icon as what you need. After that, go to the style for your section title customization. You can set your alignment from here. Not only that, if you want, you can customize its typography like size. If you further want to change your color for the title, then choose any color from its color picker. In the next, go to the post title. From here, you can customize title color. As well title background color for normal hover or box hover. Next, go to the thumbnail, and if you want, you can set your border radius according to your desired appearance. Then for overlay style, set your thumb position from these options. For your excerpt customization, you can modify its typography size, and the excerpt color from this color picker. Then go to the metadata. From here, you can also change your meta color and the meta link color. For the separate category, you can customize its border radius. For the read more customization, you can change your background color along with the text color. If you further want, you can change the border type with the border color. Next, go to the card to customize your card gap. While working on this, it will look like that. In the next, now we will drag post grid layout. Like list layout, you will get several grid layout here also. Now go to the style for a section title customization. Provide a suitable title, for example grid layout. Then customize its alignment into right, left or center. Back to the layout again. Now you can preview each layout one by one and select any one from these. For the layout options, you can set your column numbers for layout. Then set your text alignment. Now go to the query build. According to the advanced filters, set your categories first along with the tags and author. You can also customize your date range. In the next, go to the pagination. Enable this show pagination options if you want, then set your pagination type. Now back to the query build again, and from here you can set how many posts will display per page. It works only for the pagination and the Ajax filter. Next, go to the settings. Like previous, you will get some separate field selection options to show or hide in your post by enabling and disabling these options. Now go to the post title. From here, set your title tag as heading 1, 2, 3, etc. Then customize your title position, title hover underline, and set the visibility style for your title from these given options. If you want, you can also customize the title length along with the title trimming by into words or character. Next, go to the thumbnail to customize your image resolution if you need so. You can also choose your media source from here. Now go to the excerpt. Again, like previous, similar customization is applicable for this. Now go to the read more. Again, if you want, you can enable show button icon and set your button style. While done, go to the style for the section title customization first. If you need, you can change your title color, dot color, border color, and etc. Then go to the post title. If you need to customize its typography for the size, you can modify it according to yourself. Then customize its weight, height, etc. Furthermore, you can customize title color on normal, hover, or box hover along with the background color. Then go to the excerpt, customize excerpt color if you need. Next, go to the read more and again customize and set any color for your background color as well as text color. Not only that, you can also customize its border radius, border width, and the border color. Then go to the pagination. Again, if you need, you can customize the color for your background, border, and etc. In the next, customize post item card gap, content padding according to your own visual appearance. In the next, we will now drag the post grid slider layout. Like previous, you will get 13 layout options to choose. Firstly, go to the advanced to customize the margin. And now back to the layout to preview each layout one by one. And finally, choose any one what you like. Next, go to the settings for the section title customization. Firstly, provide the title as slider layout and then set your title tag. From the style, you can customize the section title alignment, typography, and etc. Now back to the layout again. For the layout options, set your column numbers for the layout. It could be 2, 3, 4, and any number what you like. Then set your text align. Now go to the query build. Firstly, according to the advanced filters, set your categories, tags, etc. Then go to the links. From here, you can enable or disable thumbnail link. Now go to the settings. Like previous, again, you will get several field selection options to show or hide in your post by enabling or disabling this. While done, go to the section title now. From here, select your section title style, what you like. For the post title customization, customize all of these options according to your choice, like title trimming by and the title length. In the next, go to the slider. From here, you can customize your slider gap for your perfect visual appearance. If you further want, you can enable or disable the arrow visibility. If you disable this again, it will not appear anymore. If you further want, you can enable your auto height for the arrow. Along with the speed. Then you can also choose slider overflow as hidden. While done, go to the style. From here, you can select your desired color for the title color from this color picker. You can also customize bar color, border color, and etc. Not only that, you can customize line spacing and the width. Now go to the post title. You can customize your alignment along with the title color as well as title background. Next, go to the slider. From here, again, you can customize your arrow icon color and the arrow background color. While done, go to the card and set your content padding according to your preference. Next, we will drag the post grid category block and drop it here. While drag and dropping this, it will look like that. And there are 3 options available to choose the layout. You can preview each one and select any one from it. Then choose your column numbers for your layout. And choose the category. You can select and set multiple categories at the same time. Then customize the grid gap and the alignment. In the next, go to the style for your category customization. From here, you can customize category color. And for the image, you can customize and set your image resolution along with the count visibility. For the count, if you want, you can enable or disable count visibility, show bracket, and etc. For the card, customize these options as yourself. While done, click on Publish to save all of our customization, what we have made so far. Now visit the page, and here it is, the appearance of list layout with the category block. And this is the grid layout. Lastly, the slider layout. This is how you can easily use the post grid plugin with Elementor. Thank you for watching this tutorial.